Hey, my name is Matti Basan and I'm here on one of our beautiful RL 2600 cranes, which is about to be tested and delivered from our great factory in Rostock at the Baltic Sea in Germany. Let me introduce to you just a few of its valuable features, showing you our flexibility to make it suit to your needs. We can deliver all our offshore cranes, either safe rated or zone 1 rated like this one, for the usage in hazardous areas. We can install maintenance platforms anywhere on the crane to enable safe and easy maintenance. We can install the boom walkway on the left-hand side, the right-hand side, or like here, on top of the boom. But not all maintenance must nowadays be performed from one of those nice platforms. This crane is equipped with our latest feature, Liebherr Intelligent Maintenance, for remote maintenance from onshore. Maybe the right solution for your next project.